What's going on, guys? Back with another YouTube video. Now, I know my last two YouTube videos were summer festivals. This video is also another summer festival. What can I say? I like my festivals in the summer. This one is I'm back up by my parents' house for the annual Northland Mardi Gras festival. It's a Thursday through Sunday festival. However, I had to work Thursday and Friday, so it's Saturday right now. So I unfortunately had to miss out on the first 2 days of the festival, but still a lot of stuff going on between today and tomorrow that I'm looking forward to. Starting off, it is 6:30 in the morning right now on Saturday, and me and my brother around 7:10, 7:15ish are gonna be heading into town because we are running the Mardi Gras 5K this morning. After that, we might go to the fire station because they have a free pancake breakfast. And then there's just stuff going on all day. I'll explain what's going on as the day goes on. But that is what today is going to start off with. So I will see you guys when we're heading out to run this 5K. Alright, the time is now 7:17. He ran inside to go get his glasses. I'm not the fastest guy, so I try to dress fast. Maybe people will think I'm faster than I am to intimidate the competition a little bit. I do not plan on running anything crazy. But we're heading off to the gas station first. I gotta get $20 out for the registration fee, and then we'll be off to the 5K. Alright, so currently running the 5K. I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear me. I'm definitely not a runner, so this does definitely suck. Don't know how far in yet, but I'm not even to the first mile, and this shit sucks. Can definitely feel it in my chest. I weigh over 200 pounds. I don't know what I was expecting, really, but I will give you guys updates as I move along. Alright, I just passed the 2-mile marker. I didn't pick the camera up at the 1-mile marker, so I just forgot, but just crossed 2 miles. Only just a hair over a mile left to go. Alright, so we just finished the 5K run. It wasn't like an official thing. They didn't time us. We had to time ourselves. There was no rewards. So, but I did it nonetheless. I had to poop really bad. That probably slowed me down. Hungry. But we're going to the fire station right now. They have a free pancake breakfast. So I'm going to pig out.
When are you gonna get a valid license?
Okay, out there now we have the village people and Park Ridge on deck. We have Minor Station and Anderson's Landscaping and Concrete on deck for the men. Minor Station and Anderson Landscaping and Concrete on deck for the men.
That's not gonna
Oh! Alright, so we just got done at the water hose fights. They're actually still happening over there, but we are going to walk right now to the car show and arts and crafts area that's going on right now. So we're going to check that out. I also have a buddy that has a stand at the arts and crafts thing, so that is where we are off to next.
I guess illegal to drive around with that thing spinning. Do the license.
They just did a PET scan. I still only got one spot, but they got to do one more. want me to.
Rebecca, huh? What do you say?
Last night. '50s has been a local business for over 70 years. Melissa, Joe's daughter, has carried the torch for the past 10 plus years. Two guys who just retired from Wisconsin with a simple... Sponsored by Ladysmith, Marshall, July 26th.
Septic Services and Classic Auto Collision. This was pulled by Alan.
Right here in Ladysmith is a place where faith and knowledge come together. It is a school where children learn through strength, promises made, promises kept. To our healthcare system, we have helped over 1.5 million children. We pray to create awareness of our philanthropy. Cooperative is a non-profit cooperative utility owned. Team Wireless, Jump River Electric, and Bradley Welding and Automotive.
I still think you should put the vehicle
Of every month from 3:30 to 6 p.m. Weapons and other martial arts skills. Check out ladysmithmartialarts.com for more information.
Finishing up our parade is the Blue Hills Equestrian and Touring Club with riders and their horses, Zeta on Bourbon, Sarah on Willow. Thank you guys so much for coming to the parade. Right after this, we are going to have 3 powerboat racing down at Mardi Gras. They'll go from about 2 to 5 with the championships happening.
Alright guys, so I believe, let's see, it's the 27th of July as of me recording this. So I believe it has been 1 full week since the Mardi Gras Festival. I'm just now getting around to editing the video as I have been busy with work and other stuff. Also preparing for my annual 2-week drill that's coming up just next week. So just now getting to editing it, which also means just now getting to recording my outro for this video. Now, as the summer approaches an end, I know I haven't really posted that much this summer. I honestly going into the summer, I had the mindset that I was gonna try to post at least one video a week, 2 videos a week, really get the content out there. And the content's really been dry. I mean, I feel like what I've posted has been good, but just the lack of uploads really killed me. I don't really have a good excuse for the lack of uploads. I guess I just really have had a lackluster summer, not a whole lot going on, and that is simply the reason. This video included, it would be my last 3 videos, would all be from festivals. Obviously, I posted my Blue Hills Fest video, and then I posted my Summer Fest video, and now my Mardi Gras Festival video. Yeah, really these 3 festivals is basically all I've done this summer. I've done a lot of sitting around, you know, working, army stuff, but hopefully going forward I can get some more videos out for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoy this video with, you know, the boat races were cool, obviously the fireworks, the carnival. I think I got some good videos on some of the rides, obviously the road parade, the water hose fights outside the fire station. I think that was all pretty cool stuff. Car show, art show. So I think this video has a good amount of stuff in it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you whenever the next one may come. Peace.